Hi guys, welcome back. This is our first video to the Kdenlive playlist, and today we're going to be showing you how to import clips into your timeline. So what you can either do is you go up to Project, Add Clip, and you can find it for here, or a simple method I like to do is you can just drag and drop, but you cannot drag and drop into the timeline. What you have to do is over here in your project bin, you have to add the clip here. Once you got it there, give it a second to do its thing here. Okay, then you can put your clip down here, and then you can do whatever you need to do. Same thing with audio files. Like say you need an audio file, so I just got this Fox MP3 on my desktop, and once we got that, we can put that in our timeline. Whoops, Kdenlive crashed. Yeah, I compiled that myself. Give me a second to reopen it. It probably doesn't help that we're trying to see what recover does. Okay, it did recover it. So now we got that. Now that's how you import clips into your timeline. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you guys later. There will be another video hopefully by tomorrow.